Men shouldn't be afraid to sport crop tops, according to Shawn Mendes, and he might be onto something because they were actually originally created for men. Speaking at a Tommy Hilfiger event in London, he said that crop tops were super beautiful and looked great on men. Don't be afraid to pick one up, guys, is what he said. Now, Shawn is pointing out the hopefully obvious fact that crop tops are for whoever wants to wear them. Ladies, gents, theys and thems. But because the internet is, well, the internet, people's responses have been quite divided. It has been pointed out though that crop tops were originally designed for men, so male bodybuilders used to wear them to get around gym rules and regulation. And back in the 70s, it was part of men's fashion for years before women caught onto the trend. And we all tend to forget that men originally rocked short shorts too. Everyone from basketball players to James Bond to the Kennedys were wearing them from the 50s to the late 80s. And probably the most glaring example of them all that trends are not gender exclusive is the fact that high heels were originally invented for men. So maybe you don't want to rock a crop, but we hope that that is because you don't want to, not because you think that you can't. Okay, so let us know, will you be copping a crop top for the summer?